It's spring 2026 and time for another workshop update. This beautiful SP here will be leaving us today to go back to its new owner who sent it in to us prior to taking delivery of the car. He's sent it back down to us. We've given it a full service, a full check over, just sorted out any minor niggles or a couple of electrical things not working because the car's been stood. Just had a couple of poor connections on it. It's still got a 6-pack. It's its original engine and gearbox from the factory. The car's still looking absolutely stunning. The customer's had a minor bit of cosmetic work done on the interior where the seats have been reconalised and is looking really nice on the interior now. We've fitted a new steering wheel. Many people don't like the original Jensen steering wheels. And this head unit is a Blaupunkt Frankfurt. I think they're quite new to the market. I had been looking at them and then the customer decided to have one fitted in his car. And I must say it's a really impressive audio solution. It feels high quality when you're fitting it. The front plate is not plastic. It's a really thick cast metal part. It operates really seamlessly. I may even fit one into my own car, I'm not impressed. So this car, I've been road testing it. Last time I took it out was 2 years ago and it still drives absolutely flawlessly. Everything, it doesn't make one rattle or squeak. Acceleration is perfect with those carbs. The braking is amazing because it's got the Fosway braking system all the way around. The car is just faultless. And the new owner is going to be very lucky with that. I'm happy to own it. So next is this CV8, which has been here for quite a while. It's had a lot of running issues, lots of exhaust leaks, lots of inlet manifold leaks. It still wouldn't run right. Timing chain was very poorly worn. Even after changing that, it still just would not idle and was not producing any vacuum. So we changed the camshaft on it and it's completely transformed the car. It's now gone from making 8-inch of vacuum to 16. It will idle absolutely perfectly at very low revs while it's in gear, and it's just totally transformed the car. It's had a bit of interior work done, some bits of leather. It's had a new carpet set. The driver's mat isn't in yet till it goes to the owner for delivery. I don't want to get it dirty. It's a really nice car, looks amazing, drives nice. Just waiting for a radiator which should be turning up later this week. We've been waiting on that for 5 weeks because it's a bespoke made radiator, and the car was, although it was keeping its temperatures, the fans were running for an awful long time, and I put a thermal imaging camera on it and we could see that some of the cores in the radiator were blocked. So just to make sure that there's no problems in the future, we put in a radiator. Next we've got this copper bronze Mark III Interceptor, which is my favourite colour on the Mark IIIs. This came to us partially restored, as did this silver Mark III Interceptor. All the external chrome glass was all fitted to the car when it arrived. It was on a body jig still, so we fitted all the steering, suspension and brakes to the car to get it rolling again. Then we've just completed the insulation and heat shield under the engine bay there. Got the brake pipes in, wiper motor, and anything that needs to go in before the engine and gearbox to make life easy has all been done now. So we're just waiting now, ready to drop the engine and gearbox into that one very shortly. Then we have this silver Mark III Interceptor. This is another partial restoration that's come to us. We're completing the job. It's just had the 8-track rebuilt. It's been adapted to Bluetooth. It's nice to have one with the Jensen logo on. Our next job on this will be to fit the dashboard. It's just sat in there loose, so that needs bolting up, all the instrumentation putting into it, the gearbox tunnel, then all the wiring connecting up. There's a lot of wiring that goes behind all there, but the car does actually start and drive, so it can be moved around the workshop easily. It's got a beautiful re-leathered interior in it, this car, and red, I must say, is my favourite colour. My Interceptor and this FF above both have red interiors. Unfortunately, there's very little happened. This is my own FF Mark 1 that's having a full restoration. This is the most of it you can see. It's a bare body show. It's got a bit of chrome work on the front. New windscreen seals being fitted. And I'm now, when I get back to it, I'll be working on the rear suspension and getting the axle on. Got a lot of rebuilt parts ready for the car to go on. I just need to find some time to do it. So that's everything we've got in the workshop. And there'll be a little bit more space today when this SP disappears. And then we can get on with the rest of the cars.